Hello everyone. Today we'll walk you through the assembly process of the R319 excavator. Step 1. Install the upper structure and undercarriage. First, apply a sufficient amount of grease to the ring gear on the undercarriage. Use a lifting device to raise the upper structure. When connecting the upper structure and undercarriage, make sure to align two positions first, the locating plate and the grease filling port. After alignment, install the two locating pins to secure the position. Then tighten the 6 bolts that secure the upper structure to the undercarriage. For a stronger connection, thread locker can be applied to the bolts. Next, connect the 6 hydraulic hoses and 1 grease hose between the upper structure and undercarriage. Each hose and corresponding port is labeled with a number. Before connecting the hoses, straighten ports number 5 and number 6 to make installation easier. First, connect hose number 5. Then connect hose number 4. Next, connect hose number 3. Then connect hose number 1. Next, connect hose number 2. Then connect hose number 6. Finally, connect the grease hose. Next, install the control joysticks. First, connect the 2 control rods in the center. Remove the display panel. Inside, you will find 2 pre-installed wires. Connect them to the left and right joysticks. Adjust the joysticks to a comfortable angle, then tighten the mounting bolts underneath with a wrench. Then connect the plugs. Finally, secure the joystick covers using 4 screws. Next, install the seat. First, locate the 4 matching nuts in the tool kit. Align the seat with the 4 mounting holes and secure it using the nuts. Step 2. Install the boom, arm, and hydraulic hoses. First, unpack the hydraulic hoses. Each hose is labeled. Arrange the hoses on both sides following the rule: A for the left side and B for the right side. Use a pin to connect the boom to the upper structure. First, route hose 5A through the inside of the boom and pull it out from the left side of the boom tip. Then route hose 5B through the inside of the boom and pull it out from the right side of the boom tip. Next, remove the 3-way ball valve connected to hose 8A. Route hose 8A through the boom and pull it out from the left side of the boom tip. Then remove the 3-way ball valve connected to hose 8B. Route hose 8B through the boom and pull it out from the right side of the boom tip. Next, route hoses 6A and 6B out through the center section of the boom. Finally, route the work light wire out from the left side of the center section of the boom. Next, install the boom cylinder. Use a pin to secure the other end of the boom cylinder to the boom. Then use a pin to connect the boom and arm. Next, install the arm cylinder. First, use a pin to connect one end of the cylinder to the boom. Then connect hoses 6A and 6B. Use a pin to connect the other end of the cylinder to the arm. Next, install the bucket cylinder. First, use a pin to connect one end of the cylinder to the arm. Then connect hoses 5A and 5B. Use a pin to connect the bucket and linkage. Then use a pin to connect the bucket and arm. Next, use a pin to connect the rocker arm and arm. Finally, Use a pin to connect the rocker arm, linkage, and the other end of the cylinder together. Secure the three-way ball valves on both sides of the arm and connect hoses 8A and 8B respectively. Finally, install the work light on the boom and connect the wire. Step 3. Install the canopy. First, remove the bolts used to secure the canopy on the upper structure. Then connect the canopy to the support posts. Finally, secure the support posts to the upper structure. At this point, the assembly of the R319 excavator is complete.